about you all day, waking up the nerve. I think you deserve a night if you're my feeling too steep.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with Megalook Hair. They kindly sent me this 5x5 balayage wig and it's in the length 26 inches. I am actually really in love with this wig just for convenience wise. Like, it took me, the longest part for me was to straighten the hair, if I'm honest with you. Installing it took 2 seconds, so it's very convenient, and right now in the UK it is very hot, so it just doesn't make any sense to, you know, waste time gluing wigs down for it to be sliding off. So I'm really happy with it. So this is what the lace is looking like. I hope you guys can see it, and it is glueless, as you can see. I just love it because right now my hair is flourishing, it's growing, my edges are on fleek, and I don't want no glue or gel to be ruining that for me. So, you know, glueless wigs are really the way forward for me at the moment. I do love a lace front, but I just don't want it to be like an everyday situation, you know what I mean? So I really love this, really love this. So yeah, thank you so much Megalook Hair for sending me this wig. All the details for this wig will be down below. So let's get into the installation, guys. Oh, I'm there saying let's get into the installation. I forgot to show you what it came with. So it came in a satin bag as always, and you get some goodies. So the goodies come in a little organza bag here. You get a wig cap, you get a lovely spoolie, you also get some lashes, and you get a Megalook, oh sorry, you also get a Megalook headband, so you can like lay your wigs down. And there's also a hairpin in there also, this one like this. And then it also came with the wig itself, it came with some combs that you can attach to the wig, also came with some super tape, and there was an adjustable headband in there which is already on my head right now. So yeah, that's what it came into. So now we're going to get into the installation. So I'm going to be taking my Revolution Glow Matte Bronzer, and I'm going to use that on the lace. I have put a little bit already on the underside, on the underneath of the wig. So I'm just going to put a little bit more on the top because I want this to, I'm going to attempt to make this glueless. So I'm just going to hope for the best. I'm not really sure about the lighting, sorry guys. And if you hear snoring, my dog is in the back snoring. I'm just going to cut this lace off. I don't like how you can kind of see like the edges of the lace. I'm just going to go in with this Root Touch Up in dark brown. This is one from Pound Shop, the Pound Shop. I'm just going to use it to cover that. Yeah, and that's, it's gone. Can you focus? Yeah, so now it's hidden it, that white mark that was annoying as hell. I'm going to be using my wax stick, which I need to get a new one of because it's completely finished. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, I'm really sorry guys. So I'm having to like take it out of the actual container and use it. But I'm just going to use a little bit just so that I can hot comb. I'm going to be using this heat protector on this hair. I'm not 100% sure if I want it to be curly or straight, so I'm just going to straighten it first of all, and then I'm going to see if I want to add curls at the end because I'm not sure.
Pray you get that job in time for that's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, damn, I knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, bed, you could sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga.
The hair is actually super silky. Surprisingly, the fact that it's bleached. I'm kind of liking how it looks so far straight. Oh, sorry. I think it kind of looks better with my outfit as well.
It's pitiful that when I'm with them other I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other Thursday, but...
And what I tend to do when I want to straighten the back of my wig is I'll just brush it all to one side and then straighten it. But because this is glueless, I'm just going to take the whole wig off and straighten the back. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really do like it bone straight. With the colour of the wig, I just think it suits me more when it's straight, and it goes quite well with this outfit. I did go ahead and put on the detachable headband that goes with it as well, because now it's really nice and snug and there's no fear of it being snatched off my head. And then this is what the lace looks like at the top. I just think a glueless wig is so great right now, because right now in the UK it is boiling hot, and it doesn't make sense for me to be spending like 45 minutes trying to stick on a lace front and it just slides off like as soon as I get outside. So this is great for me actually. So yeah, if you guys like this hair, please let me know down below. I will leave all the links that you need for this wig if you're interested in getting it. Once again, thank you so much to Megalook Hair for, you know, sending me this wig. I love working with you guys, so I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next one.